Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This has a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 36,814. Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, and backup camera. Shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.